You look at someone's iPhone and immediately notice something different about the back cameras. Wait, why does this iPhone have cameras stacked vertically, while the newer one has them placed diagonally? And now the latest model has a completely triangular layout. What is Apple even doing? Are they just changing designs for the sake of it? Or is there something deeper going on behind these camera bumps that we're not seeing? If you've ever wondered why Apple keeps rearranging the lenses on iPhones, you're not alone. Today we're going to uncover the real, slightly surprising reasons behind these changes, and trust me, it's not just about looking cool. This is the hidden story of iPhone camera orientations on Story Behind the Things. Let's dive in. First, go back to 2019 with the iPhone 11. Apple introduced a dual camera on regular models for the first time and placed them vertically. Now here's a question: why vertical? You might think it was just a design choice, but actually Apple had a very practical reason. The vertical layout helped them keep the camera bump relatively small while fitting two big lenses and a flash. It also worked perfectly for their early portrait mode and depth sensing. Simple, clean, and functional. But then in 2021, with the iPhone 13, Apple suddenly switched to a diagonal layout. Now you must be thinking, why change something that was already working fine? Here's the interesting part. According to engineers and teardowns, the diagonal placement gave Apple more internal space. By rotating the cameras, they could better manage heat from the more powerful chip and fit a larger battery. It also improved how the cameras worked together for computational photography. So it wasn't random, it was smarter engineering. Now the latest iPhones have moved to a triangular arrangement. And I know what you're thinking right now. Apple, why can't you just leave the cameras in one place? This is where it gets really fascinating. The triangular layout is apparently being driven by Apple's plans for even more advanced camera technology. They're trying to fit bigger sensors, better LiDAR, and possibly new types of lenses. The triangle shape gives them more flexibility to arrange everything while keeping good thermal performance and balance. But here's the clever part most people miss. Apple is also doing this for marketing. Every new camera layout makes the latest iPhone instantly recognizable from the back. When you see someone with the newest model, you know it right away. It's a brilliant and intentional way to create desire for the new version. So next time you see a new iPhone and immediately notice the camera change, remember, Apple isn't just playing with design. They're balancing engineering challenges, photography improvements, heat management, and smart marketing all at the same time. Now I have a question for you. Which camera layout do you personally like the most? The old vertical style, the diagonal, or the new triangular one? And do you think Apple should stop changing the design so often, or do these changes actually make you more excited for new iPhones? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep but simple explanation, hit the like button and share it with your friends who are always confused about Apple's design choices. Subscribe to Story Behind the Things and turn on the bell so you never miss the real stories behind the tech we use every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.